Hi guys, a very good evening to you once again. It's me, Jeff Ignacio, the owner of this channel, Sukati Pelanggan. How are you once again? Okay, before I call it a day, I would like to react to this video. This video was uploaded by Lepak One Corner, I do not know when. The title is Birds and the Bees. So I believe this video is gonna be funny. So I think it's, like they say, laughter is the best medicine. So I wanna watch this before I sleep. Okay, see how funny they are this time.
Mak. Mak. Baby datang dari mana, Mak? Baby datang dari mana, Mak?
I think this is a very common question by kids, right? So how you, if you are a parent, mother or father, answer this question to your son or your daughter when they are small? Please comment down below. Please let me know, and I can't wait to hear them respond.
Oh, lovely. Oh, so lovely. Mother, what are you watching? Absolutely lovely. Oh, I'm watching this vampire movie.
Oh.
I love vampires.
So nice, conjuring.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Texas chicken.
Oh, Mommy,
Yes, darling.
what are they doing?
Oh, they're just French kissing.
French kissing.
So they're from France.
Yeah, they're from France. Yeah, you're so clever.
Yeah, but why is he putting his tongue inside the other?
Oh my
the other,
goodness.
a girl's tongue.
No, darling. Our saliva is actually it's like a form of like detergent. It cleans.
Oh,
Right. And French kissing. That's how you French kiss, darling.
Oh.
When you like each other, you French kiss to show how you like each other.
Alright, so wait, for me, I love you because you're my mother. Can I French kiss you?
Oh yeah, sure do. And we are friends. We are from France anyway. So nice. Ma.
Aduh, oh my goodness. Okay. Baru seminit 30 saat dah gila.
Ada siapa ni, Mak?
Oh, this is the Malay
Cerita
family
lah,
pula.
lah, cerita orang putih, cerita vampire ke apa ni hang. Bertaring orang tu.
Oh.
Bentar ni.
Dia nak gigit lah, Mak. Dia gigit kat mulut, Mak. Bukan gigit kat leher ke, Mak?
Allah, aku susah lah cerita orang putih ni. Tengok cerita hantu pun nak Malaysia. Tak. Ni, perempuan tu nak bunuh vampire tu.
Habis?
Vampire tu nak kena makan gula-gula hex untuk mati. Jadi perempuan tu ada gula hex kat mulut.
Obat tu dia suruh
Masuk dalam mulut.
I think this is as common for Asian, right? Like, can't we like just straight to the point tell, and then they get to learn as well. But I think it's very Asian of us. It's like embedded in us to like try to answer as decent as possible and try to find excuses untuk menjawab persoalan yang agak sensitif ataupun tabu di kalangan masyarakat orang Asia macam tu. So we will try to find excuses pushing here and there, and then the kids are like, oh okay, like macam faham lah, macam tah. But I do not know what is the effect, apa kesan dia bila dia sudah meningkat dewasa, bila dia found out the actual thing. Is it gonna be funny? Is it gonna be like, she or he is angry at you for not telling them the truth about it? Is it that's the very reason why, like, I don't know, when it comes to sex, Asian is very reserved, like it's a taboo kind of thing. It's something that you can't talk like out in the open. Please let me know.
Gigit mulut. Jadi itu hex masuk dalam badan.
Pula
Hex.
kali ni gigit leher jangan je.
Ni tak apa lah. Kita cerita lain lah. Kita cerita. Kita cerita baru dia
bodoh dia
macam nak
tu.
start kat Mama Tembak Merah. Mak dia jadi ikan kaloi. Mak dia jadi ikan. Mati jadi ikan. Tengok cerita dia Ajar betul lah Cakap Putih ni.
Samantha, what are you watching, Samantha?
Who's Samantha, Mommy? My name is Shirley.
Oh, Shirley.
Shirley, I forgot about that.
I'm watching this show, it's called The Titanic. It's really sad, Mommy. It's about this big ship that capsized. Mommy, what are you doing?
This is called making love, darling. When you love each other, you make love. And that is how you make love. First step, you have to take off each other's clothes.
No, I don't think I'm comfortable taking off my clothes in front of boys, Mommy.
Oh, my daughter has grown. Darling, it's okay. I love you for who you are. It doesn't matter any gender.
What agenda?
Okay, I understand what they're trying to say here. Aduh, mak dia ni pun open gila. But this is something, I think this is the difference between us and the Western culture. We're not saying that Western culture is like negative. We're not saying Western culture ni mengajarkan benda-benda yang kurang baik. Tapi bagi saya, one thing I like about the Asian culture is their openness. You know, their openness to discuss and whatnot. If you disagree with it, you know, you are going to say why. You know, you are given the freedom or liberty to respond. And even though this is just a sketch or drama macam, you know, like the differences between Asian and Western, but I think there's a value that we can learn from here. But I do not know, I'm not sure whether there is any Asian family who is like open to their kids, like what is this, what is that, then they can talk about sex openly so that the kids will be more understanding about, you know, the consequences for them when it comes to sex.
LGBT gender.
I'm confused now. I need some time alone. I'll go to my naughty corner.
Okay, go.
Oh yeah, they
For
have this kind of
10
naughty.
minutes.
They have this naughty corner.
Buruk ni nangis. Kenapa Syasha tu? Cerita apa kau tengok ni?
Ni, cerita takkan ni, Mak. Sedih cerita tu.
Oh, cerita pasal
darjat, Mak.
Oh, darjat. Ada 2 darjat lah gitu.
Betul, darjat. Tapi akan kapal lah. Nanti kapal tu tenggelam. Cerita betul, Mak. Buat apa tu, Mak? Lagi dalam kereta, Mak. Sampai berasa asap tu dalam kereta. Goyang kereta, Mak.
Oh my goodness.
Kereta tu berasap pasal
Look at Asian.
dalam
Oh
kereta
my
tu sejuk.
goodness.
Jadi condensation.
Oh,
Condensation
clever
ada
ke
tak?
condensation.
Tutup ni. Aku nak cakap sikit
Kenapa
ni.
belum orang boleh tengok?
Jangan tengok benda-benda macam gini. Orang putih tu, diorang suka Malaysia. Sana tak termalu. Kita orang Melayu ada adat sikit. Ada cara dia sendiri. Bukan buat kat kereta gitu. Kita nak kena masuk dalam bilik. Tutup lampu. Bawa selimut. Kau jangan buat ni semua. Aku dapat tahu. Memang jangan buat malu aku anak dara sekarang. Janganlah buka berselisih masuk dalam kereta. Kalau tak ada kereta, dekat tangga pun jadi. Kau selalu pergi tangga kan? Susahlah budak sekarang ni. Tak cakap.
Boleh tengok balik cerita dia.
Tak boleh.
Dia tengok cerita apa
Ni,
sekarang?
tengok ni. Ustazah Nubaya. Dia cerita pasal anak-anak dahaka. Bagus. Nanti dia nangis. Bagus cerita anak dahaka. Kau nak tengok. Mommy, I've got a question for you.
Yes, darling.
Mommy, where do babies come from? Babies, where do babies come from?
Oh, well, babies come from the sky, darling. Like, there's a bird who carries babies and will drop to you in front of everyone's house. So you happen to drop in front of my door. So when
Okay.
I opened the door in the morning and I was like, oh my goodness, how beautiful this baby girl.
Oh.
And I was like, despacito. Taki-taki.
Oh, you're
Senorita.
You're Spanish now, mother?
Yes, no French anymore.
That's why I named you Senorita.
My name is Shirley, not Samantha, not Senorita.
Oh, then the bird must have dropped you at the wrong place. Mak! Mak! Baby datang dari mana, Mak?
Oops.
Baby. Baby
Alamak, tak tahu.
tahu jap. Kau ambil pen dengan paper sini, aku tulis address dia. Baby Baby datang dari kat sini lah.
Bola abah.
Oi! Agraba.
Bola ba, oh my goodness.
Abah. Agrabah bukan.
Dekat Mesir tu kan, dekat tempat Aladdin dulu.
Agrabah.
Situ banyak baby. Jadi aku punggungkan kat sana. Nak ambil nombor tau. Dah lama.
Jauh ni. Nanti Syasha nak pergi holiday ke Mesir dengan boyfriend Syasha.
Kenapa?
Boleh? Tak ada, sebab kita tu nak baby. Aku tak tahu mana nak dapat baby tu.
My goodness.
Mana Mak dah tulis ni kat Agrabah, nanti kita cari kat Agrabah lah. Okay. Pergi dulu. Syasha nak keluar dengan boyfriend.
Oh my goodness.
Agrabah. Dah ada Prince Ali dah. Prince Ali. Na na na.
Guys, that was Lepak One Corner with their video of birds and the bees. As you can watch by yourself, I believe anda pun terasa macam tersindir sikit lah kan, because that's the difference between Asian and the Western culture. You know, ada yang baik, ada yang tidak baik. Tidak semua daripada Barat itu buruk, dan tidak semua yang daripada Asia itu baik. So we have to, you know, be able to distinguish which one is good, which one is not. So I learned a lot from here. You know, sometimes we have to be open in order for us to achieve something. You know, so yalah, kalau dah mengarut-ngarut explanation, memang it's like weird lah. So yeah, it was funny. You know, one thing I like about this Lepak One Corner is because they are very funny, but at the same time they are educating. You know, we get to learn something. You know, walaupun rasa tersindir ataupun rasa macam kurang senang bila ada lawak-lawak yang menyentuh, you know, like mungkin the latest happenings, like mereka buat parody, but at the same time we actually learn from it. Yeah, so guys, do follow them on their channel Lepak One Corner, and of course do follow my channel as well. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. It's really amazing that I get all this support from you guys, and I wish to do my best and improve my reaction skills and any other things. So once again, thank you very much. You guys have a great weekend. It's weekend tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. You guys take care. Bye bye.